Hey traders, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the best 1-minute scalping strategy. The strategy one will be using this time is the Triple EMA scalping strategy. You can use this strategy with any kind of market, such as Forex, stocks, cryptocurrency, or even gold. The ideal time frame for this strategy is 1 or 5 minutes, but I prefer 1 minute because it is much faster. This strategy is easy to use, especially for beginner traders. Anyone can start trading and make profits with this strategy. Watch this video until the end to see how much profit we can make just by using this strategy. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new strategies. Indicators. In this strategy, we will need 3 Exponential Moving Average, EMA, indicators with 3 different lengths. If you don't know how to add these indicators, please follow me as I add them from TradingView. First indicator, Exponential Moving Average with a length of 20. You can find the indicator in TradingView by typing Moving Average Exponential in the indicators list. Add this indicator to your chart and change the length to 20. Second indicator, Exponential Moving Average with a length of 60. The TradingView indicator name is still the same, Moving Average Exponential. Add the indicator to your chart and change the length to 60. Third indicator, Exponential Moving Average with a length of 100. It is still the same Moving Average Exponential indicator. Add it to your chart and change the length to 100. As you can see, this is how our chart looks after adding all the necessary indicators. Example by long trade. Now that we have all the indicators on our chart, let's dive into our first buy example. The buy conditions are straightforward. Uptrend. The price must be in an uptrend direction. You can see this when the 3 EMAs are positioned in parallel, indicating an uptrend. Pullback. Wait until the price touches or crosses the upper or middle line from above. This is called a pullback, where the price corrects itself after an upward move. If the price crosses the bottom line, the conditions are no longer valid. Confirmation. Wait for the price to cross above the upper line. This confirms a high probability trade. In our chart, the price has just crossed above the upper line, signaling a buy opportunity. Set your stop loss at the middle line and your take profit at 2 times the stop loss distance. Let's see how this trade performs. This trade turned out to be profitable in just a few minutes. What an amazing scalping strategy. To summarize the buy conditions, the price must be in an uptrend. The price must pull back to the upper or middle line. The price must cross above the upper line. Now that you understand the buy conditions, let's move to our second buy trade. Second buy trade. The previous trade was profitable, but let's test the strategy again. The price is in an uptrend and we wait for it to touch the upper or middle line. Once it does, we wait for the price to cross above the upper line. As expected, the crossover happens and we enter the trade, set the stop loss at the middle line, and take profit at 2 times the stop loss distance. Let's see how this trade performs. This trade also turned out to be profitable, further proving the effectiveness of the strategy. Example short trade. Now, let's explore the short trade conditions, which are essentially the reverse of the long trade conditions. Downtrend. The price must be in a downtrend direction, indicated by the 3 EMAs facing downward in parallel. Pullback. Wait for the price to touch the bottom or middle line. Confirmation. Wait for the price to cross below the bottom line. In our chart, the price is in a downtrend and it touches the bottom line. We wait for the price to cross below the bottom line, which it does, signaling a short trade. Set the stop loss at the middle line and take profit at 2 times the stop loss distance. Let's see how this trade performs. This trade also turned out to be profitable in just a few minutes. What a great scalping strategy. Second short trade. Let's test the strategy again with another short trade. The price is in a downtrend and we wait for it to touch the bottom or middle line. Once it does, we wait for the price to cross below the bottom line. The crossover happens and we enter the trade. Set the stop loss at the middle line and take profit at 2 times the stop-loss distance. Let's see how this trade performs. This trade also went profitable in just a few minutes, further validating the strategy. Conclusion: we just discovered a highly profitable trading strategy for both long and short trades. However, traders should not rely solely on these results. It's essential to backtest the strategy with historical market data, typically around 100 trades. After backtesting, if the strategy remains profitable, traders can move on to paper trading, a simulation where they can practice without risking real money. There's a lot that goes into this strategy, such as backtesting it up to 100 trades and streaming my paper trades live. If you're interested in seeing the results, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.